Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of Constitution of India, as we are looking into federal structure and distribution of legislative and finance power between union and states, previously we saw cooperation between the center and the states. In today's session, we are going to look upon center-state relations during emergency. During national emergency, that is under Article 352, the state government becomes subordinate to the central government. All the exclusive functions of the state come under the control of union government. During a state emergency, now we are talking about state emergency, which is under Article 356. The President can assume to himself all or any of the functions of the government of the state and all or any of the powers vested in or exercisable by the governor or the authority in the state other than the legislature of the state. During the operation of financial emergency, that is under Article 360 of Constitution, the Union may give direction to any state to observe such canons of financial propriety as may be specified in the directions and to the giving of such other directions as the President may deem necessary and adequate for the purpose. So, in this session, we saw state-center relation during emergency. We have three emergencies, namely national emergency, which comes under Article 352, state emergency, which comes under Article 356, and financial emergency under Article 360. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned to more such content to our channel. Also to like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell button to get the latest updates to our channel. Thank you.